Dear future husband, I want here. Can you imagine yourself walking with me here? Charot!
Simple, simple, simple minds. I guess we'll take it one by one, baby, one by one. Just different, different, different kinds. We'll try to take it one by one, baby, one by one. Too many problems, I'm already lost, yeah. My baby, I do. I miss you too many nights. I miss your colorful lights. I think I love you too much. I miss your blueberry eyes. Fine, fine. I play the memories over, over, over.
Love it! Andito na ulit ako sa airport. Pagod na ako. Charot. Enjoy naman. So, again, I'm flying with Cebu Pacific as usual. And this time, there's a program because a new route is opening. And it's house. Okay, oh. Back. Uy, anong buhay pa ako? Kaya ko naman. Ah! I love it. It's a reunion.
This route is more than just a line on the map. It's a bridge between two dynamic cities, bursting with energy, culture, and possibilities.
I know that we have the same objective, providing comfortable, accessible, safe, sustainable, and affordable travel experience.
The Cebu Pacific to thank you very much.
That's the most famous. Yay! Ay, thank you. Guys, third milk tea ko na to. Kaya ko pa ba? Thank you. Tataba ako dito. This is the airport. Not bad. Medyo crowded lang. So, meaning, maraming turista na pumupunta dito. Here po!
Welcome to our disco bus! Yeah!
Kaya nga!
Parang Turkey!
How to make a perfect sauce. So, may egg yolk. Kunin yung egg yolk. And then, ilalagay natin sa sauce. Yan. Yan. And soy sauce. Vinegar. Me? Cooking show to tea. Good morning, everyone. It's a rainy day today. Buong araw umuulan, so hindi naman siguro uso baha dito, no? So this is actually a summer dress. Nakalimutan ko mag-belt dito, pero pwede naman siya. It can stand alone kahit walang belt. So mag-accent na lang ako ng bag ko. Though wala akong masyadong dalang jacket kasi inisip ko nga, summer dito sa Taiwan, parang Pilipinas lang. So magka-cardigan na lang ako. We're gonna check out now, sadly. And we're gonna do the tour and then check in ulit ng gabi. So, yeah, I'm gonna go now for breakfast with my luggages. So, bye! It's raining, raining. Taiwan.
Taiwan, and then change to Taiwan.
He's gonna give me a message,
Yes.
something like that.
Yeah, sure.
In the future, or in the present, or from the past.
Ano bang gusto mong message?
Everything. Everything.
Everything.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Gusto ko rin magkaroon ng message.
And then, itusok mo dito, tusok mo dyan.
Tusok.
Ayan.
And then,
Masaya ni Arian. Baliktad.
Ano
sa
nakasulat?
swertin ka sa love life mo this year.
Wala namang sinabi. Pero ka mag-Chinese? Hindi ko na...
Ikakasal ka na next year. Manifest. Guys, buti na lang may Google Translate. So, it says, "Aww, alam mo sabi, I don't know how you see yourself, but I see you more beautiful than this painting." Pati ka pa. So we're gonna have lunch with the tourism board of Tainan. Nag-shake hands na kami kanina, we introduced ourselves, and we have another loot bag. Grabe, sobrang daming loot bags. Every day may mga pa-freebies. So, the shrimps are shrimping.
Tolerable.
Thank you sa paghihimay ang aming parents. Welcome to Mukbang Challenge.
Oh my God. Apparently her stomach, yung tiny, hindi kinaya, pumatok. Oh, good. Yeah. She was doing mukbang. She ate 10 hours of eating. And it's not just dainty eating, ha?
We're in Tendrum, and it's somehow like a ecological
chuchu.
The sugar refined.
Yes. And now it's a theme park. So guys, we're lining up for the Tendrum
Yeah,
show.
the percussion show.
Drums na lang. Percussion, di ko pa alam spelling. So, ang haba ng pila, maybe sobrang ganda yung show. And may entertain ka naman sa paligid.
Because Taylor Swift will be performing just for us.
Oh my God, Swifties! Taylor who?
Swift.
Swift. Taylor Swift.
Makikita mo siya nagwawalis sa loob.
And So para tayo nasa bodega warehouse, something like that.
Because they are with travel warehouse.
Ay.
Yeah. Cricket. Good.
Cheers! Guys, I'm gonna try the cricket. It's time. I think it's time.
Walang gumagalaw, oh.
Ayoko palang titigan. Ba't tinitignan mo?
What's this?
Guys, may book po. Charot, may antena.
Bamboo shoot.
Masarap.
Sarap! Malasa. Guys, it's a baby corn. Fresh from the mattress. Charot. He loves me not. He loves me. He loves me not.
Hindi ko dadayain mo yan eh. Kapag dalawa na lang, he loves me.
He loves me more. He loves me most.
Isang libasa ni Ted. He loves... Asa na ba ako? He loves me not na.
Ilang layers ka na lang ba?
He loves me.
Ay? Sorry, pakibalik.
Gusto ko yung braso ni Ted.
Ay, sorry.
He loves me not.
Berry to eh. It's kind of berry.
Goji.
Goji.
He loves me.
It's goji berry.
He loves me not. He
Hinati
loves
talaga. Daya. Hinati yun. Kaya naman na isa yun eh.
Ah, uy. Pepper. Napunta
Ay,
talaga
sorry.
Napunta sa kanya yung mukha.
Sorry.
Nalipat. Oy.
Beer.
He loves me.
Babara.
Ay,
Wala ako kumakain ng banana bar.
Oo. Kagustuhan ni Arnel. Sige nga, kain
so,
ka pa.
she loves me.
Sila. Siya din. Grabe siya lang umubos.
Kasi allergic siya with everything eh.
Pero masarap naman kasi talaga. Oh my God! 500 cash! 500 cash! Thank you so much, Turista. Oh, I thought it's 25,000. Uy! Uy, pocket money kami. For a night market later.
And also, very beautiful river, love river, just penetrate it. That's the fly.
some pineapple, ano ba, cake? Pineapple mochi, whatever. We're gonna do pineapple cake.
Or pineapple kemerut. Kemerut.
We're gonna do pineapple kemerut eklat.
Yellow. Just remember the yellow one is a
So,
crust.
dapat sakto yan. This is the crust and this is the filling.
The brown one, you have the same. No, not now. Okay, and then wrapping. So you have to crush the yellow one first and make it like a round shape. Yes, right.
Right. With emotions.
Alright.
Okay.
One. And then...
Yeah. Big enough. Must the wrong.
Okay, okay. No. Okay, failed.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Work here. Look at that.
Kumain na lang. Tada! Why is it?
Galing nga.
Pero before,
Pero kasi syempre, di ba, mas woke na yung generation.
So we are gonna try our baked pineapple cookies. Look! Well, hindi masyadong perfect yung pineapple ko.
Anywhere in Chinese, you can't get noodles first, malas. Excuse me? No, I'm kidding.
Do you need spoon or fork or okay with chopstick?
Yeah, okay with chopstick.
Yeah.
It's so big. Laki.
Welcome, and I hope that you will know your love in Kaohsiung.
Yay! Chan! Kaohsiung!
Bravo!
Yeah! Woo, 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 woo. Grabe what I like about fam trips, familiarization trips. Ang dami nilang pabigay. Ito iba naman to. From Kaohsiung Tourism. Last time, Tainan Tourism yun. May loot bags. And this one, woo! Meron na naman! Kahapon meron naman TWI 500 naman. Ah! Bukas ulit may 500 galing TW. Ah! Thank you. Guys, imagine you're an ice cream lover and nagkaroon ng festival ng ice cream. Ito yun. And it's in Taiwan. It's in Kaohsiung, Taiwan. Grabe.
Bravo!
Bravo! Parang kami pulubi dito, binigyan tuloy kami ng free.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi dapat dito nakatambay.
Yeah.
We are gonna try. Actually, yung nagpasarap dito yung brulee. Nagpasarap dito yung brulee sa ibabaw. Tapos, hindi masyadong matamis yung pinaka-ice cream niya. Guys, look at how big the LED is. And this is just one ballroom. May iba pa. Papa-audition ako dito, PBB, The Voice, ano pa? Idol, American Idol. Dear future husband, I want here. Sure! Ganda oh. You know, can you imagine yourself walking with you here? Charot! One din yung sa electricity nila. So, yung mga Dyson mo, yung ibang appliances mo, or dadalhin mo dito, even your steamer, kung hindi siya 110, medyo baka hindi na siya gumana, or medyo mahina yung electricity flow niya. So, right now, nakabili ako visa soon, and at least magagamit ko pa rin ito sa Manila. Kasi, pwede naman to any eh. So, yeah. Guys, yung magsi-CR na lang ako. Uupo na lang ako sa trono. Ang ganda pa ng view ko. Parang kahit saan. Look! O, diba? I wanna stay here. I wanna live here. Char!
From the Philippines are, you know, influencer, there's a social media thing. That's what's set.
From the Philippines, and it's our honor to meet you again. And we were in Marriott, and which is the best and luxury hotel in Kaohsiung.
They will move like this.
Yeah. Oh, she will be very fast. Don't worry about that.
Yeah!
You can sing for me flowers.
So many songs!
Flowers!
Miley Cyrus man.
Okay. Tina, flowers. Oh, give a round of applause. Hey!
Okay, guys, let's drink first! Good morning. One more. So guys, we're checking out Marriott Hotel. It's been an experience, honestly. I'm so happy. Outfit is guess. As in, guess, not make a guess. Hindi ko kayo pinapahula. So, guess to. we're gonna go. Bye! For our first stop today, it's a Buddha temple. I'm just gonna flash the name because I don't know. So guys, right now we're in Ida World. So it's like a huge kingdom. Kingdom talaga. Ano bang tawag?
Dapat ako eh. Gusto ko marinig ko.
Ano yung kingdom?
Gusto ko marinig ko mga caption mo. Lagyan mo ng subtitle yan, nagigigil ako sa'yo. Gawa mo Enchanted Kingdom. Nagigigil ako sa akin, Ray. Nagigigil ako sa'yo.
Alis ka na, Jay. Ano yung tawag?
Theme park.
Hindi. World kasi siya. So may community, may hotel. Kaya
kingdom.
Kaya yung gusto ko sabihin.
Pakita mo na lang yun.
Oo, ito yung map. So, not only that they have theme parks, but they also have a hotel. Actually, maraming hotels dito. And meron ding university, schools, meron ding housing, may residential din sila. So, basically, it's like a whole community. Yeah, may auto store pa. So, that's why it's called Ida World. Hindi na kami probably makakapag-theme park kasi nga umuulan, yun lang. So, balik na lang. Yan ang maletang nabili ko.
At yan ang GoPro na nawala niya.
Naiwan ko pa sa couch counter kanina tong camera ko. Masyado na ako nagdelulu kaka-shopping. My God! At nakita-kita rin kami sa finals. Nakita-kita rin kami. Ngayon lang. Ngayon din ang photo. Hoy, Raya! Nakita-kita din. Ay! Dami energy. Tapos na eh. Let's na tapos na eh. Babe. Ha? Nothing to declare. May passport. Guys, so medyo strict lang sila sa hand carry nyo. So make sure na yung hand carry nyo is 7 kilos lang unless you wanna pay in advance or guide kayo ng extra luggage. But medyo strict sila. So, yeah. I'm coming home. Charot! So last day na, it's so sad that we have to leave. But thank you so much Turista and Cebu Pacific kasi lagi talaga kayo generous and always remembering us for your new routes. So, okay. Thank you. Pilak, check mo.
Pilak chair.
And my name on it.
And your name?
Yes.
Okay. Nasaan po ba yung name?
Ito.
Okay. Ariane Bautista. Nakita na?
Yeah.
Alright.
Diba? Check.